Hello dear students, today we will discuss worksheet number 60, class 10 science. Human eye and the colorful world. Atmospheric refraction. Refraction of light due to different layers of atmosphere. Atmospheric refraction. The twinkling of a star is due to atmospheric refraction of starlight. The starlight on entering the Earth's atmosphere undergoes refraction continuously before it reaches the Earth. The refractive index of Earth's atmosphere gradually increases from outside high altitude towards the surface of the Earth. So the light traveling from a star when enters the atmosphere bends towards the normal as the medium air gradually changes from rare to denser. Thus the apparent position of a star appears little higher than actual position. The air in Earth atmospheres does not remain in static state. Rather, it is very dynamic. Some breeze always keep blowing at certain altitude. Due to this, the density of air keep on changing at different level in atmosphere, which causes the air light from stars to refract in different direction, and the amount of light reaching the observer keep on changing. Thus, the flickering of stars occur due to apparent shift in the position of star, change in amount of light from the star reaching the observer. It means लाइट रिफ्रैक्ट होती है क्योंकि कहीं पर एयर डेंस है और कहीं पर एयर रेयर है. नॉर्मली जैसे अर्थ की तरफ हम आते हैं तो एयर एटमॉस्फेरिक जो होता है वो डेंस होता रहता है. द प्लैनेट्स डोंट ट्विंकल बिकॉज प्लैनेट्स आर कंपैरेटिवली नियरर to Earth than stars, and the average amount of light coming from the planets to the Earth remain same. Early sunrise, later sunset. Similar to the apparent shift in position of stars, try to explain why sunrise occur a little early than actual sunrise and sunset occur a little late than the actual sunset. तो आप इसको इस तरह से समझ सकते हैं कि सूरज यहाँ है सनराइज़ के टाइम पर, लेकिन जब ये एंटर करता है इस पोजीशन पे है, लेकिन जब ये लाइट एंटर करती है तो ये डेंस एटमॉस्फेयर में पहुंचने के बाद थोड़ा सा नॉर्मल की तरफ झुक जाती है इस तरह से. ठीक है, और सन कहाँ दिखाई देता है? ऊपर दिखाई देता है. द सेम सनसेट के केस में भी होता है, क्योंकि लाइट हमेशा रियर से डेंस की तरफ जब एंटर करती है तो नॉर्मल की तरफ बैंड हो जाती है. टिंडल इफेक्ट. व्हेन लाइट पासेस थ्रू अ कोलाइड इट्स पाथ बिकम विजिबल. द फेनोमेनन इज कॉल्ड टिंडल इफेक्ट. स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट. स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ लाइट इन वेरियस डायरेक्शन ड्यू टू colloid particles. Scattering depends upon the wavelength of light and size of the particles. Blue color of sky. The upper atmosphere of Earth contains gases and very small water vapors. These particles, due to their small size, are more effective in scattering light of shorter wavelength, mainly blue. So, out of the 7 colors of sunlight, mainly blue reaches our eyes, and the sky appear blue to us. Red color of sun during sunrise and sunset. During sunset and sunrise, the sun is near horizon, and therefore the sunlight have to travel larger distance in the atmosphere, as the path is longer than the total amount of scattering. Scattered blue light is more and red is less. Thus, red light reaches our eyes and sun appears red. यानी ज़्यादा एटमॉस्फेयर को पार करके आती हैं लाइट तो स्कैटर्ड हो जाती हैं, तो रेड लाइट इतनी ज़्यादा स्कैटर नहीं हो पाती, तो हमें रेड लाइट ही दिखाई देती है, बाकी सारी लाइट्स स्कैटर्ड हो जाती हैं. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन. The red light scatters the least, that's why signboards are of red color. Question number 2 है, give 2 examples of Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect is the scattering of light as a light beam passes through a colloid. Example 1, the visible beam of headlights in fog is caused by the Tyndall effect. The water droplets scatter the light, making headlights beam visible. Example 2. The Tyndall effect can be observed when the sunlight passes through the canopy of a dense forest. Question number 3 देख लेते हैं. Why do clouds appear white? The tiny water droplets and ice crystal in clouds are just the right size to scatter all colors of light, compared with the smaller molecule of air that scattered blue light most effectively. When lights contain all color, we perceive it as white. यानी जब पूरी सनलाइट स्कैटर्ड हो जाएगी तो हमें वो वाइट कलर की दिखाई देगी. The stars appear twinkling because of atmospheric refraction.